Alright, Grotto Gremlins, this one's for you. I can't release this to the world yet, but I can give you a sneak peek about what's inside this mystery box. So I'm going to get it unboxed and installed and give you a little bit of behind the scenes of a beta test unit that I've been sent from Snapmaker. And keep it on the down low. I'm allowed to share it limitedly to you all. But it is a beta test unit, so this isn't what the final product may or may not look like. I get to give feedback to Snapmaker on what I like and, more importantly, what I don't like about this, and I can't share that part publicly. So without any further ado, let's get this unboxed. Alright, and there you have it, glorious insiders. The Snapmaker U1 top cover. Beta test unit, remember. It's not the official final product. We're going to be testing it out, letting Snapmaker know what we think of it, what can be improved, what we like, and so on and so forth. But stay tuned. It'll appear on the channel. And thanks again for being a member. Until next time, be glorious.